A lot of people ask me, what kind of makeup looks look great with glasses? I myself wear glasses a lot, and I'm gonna show you two different looks that I love for glasses. Firstly, the most important thing when you're starting an eye look, especially when you're wearing glasses, is you really wanna brighten the eye area. I think you've heard me all say how much I love corrector. I love to use light peach, and especially in the inner corner of my eyes, it brightens up the whole eye area. And a lot of times with glasses, your eye area is, more on focus. So when you put the concealer in the inner corner of your eye, it brightens up the area. And I don't like to put too much corrector or concealer right on the side bridge of your nose, because I find that with glasses, that little area of the glass that hits the side of your nose, it will come off even easier because it'll be too slippy, too greasy. So I like to just kind of blot it with my finger and kind of press the corrector and concealer into that area. I'm putting a very, very, very sheer layer of concealer on my eyelid because we really want this kind of naked eye to kind of have a brightness and a punch. So I'm gonna start with Luxe Eyeshadow in Melting Point. This is like a beautiful, sparkly, kind of warm color that just kind of gives like a warmth and a luminosity to the lid. On the lower lash line, I'm gonna add a little bit of Moonstone to the inner corner of the eye. So it has this kind of sparkly under effect. It's just going to let your eyes be the forefront. And then I'm going to finish it off with some mascara. I would definitely say you want to curl your lashes because you want your lashes not to hit the glass. And I love to add a little on the bottom as well. I think it looks really pretty under glasses. See, it already looks just kind of like soft and pretty. And the next thing I'm gonna do to finish off this look is to put on a vibrant lip. This is On Fire Luxe Matte Lip Color. It's one of my favorites. Another fun way to like play with your lips is maybe doing like a two-tone. This is Vibrant Violet. I love like the mix is also gorgeous, and that's like if you want to be even more playful with your lips when you wear glasses, I feel like that's a fun way to go. So I might put a little bit just in the center. I feel like with glasses, people think like there's only one way to do things, and it's really about what is your personality. So really have fun with your makeup. So I'm gonna show you another look. So another look you can do to amp up your makeup when you wear glasses is doing a defined eye. I always feel like a defined eye looks really clean and sharp under glasses. I'm gonna take off my glasses and look into my magnifying mirror and apply my liner. And again, when it comes to where you put your liner, if you're someone that uses it more on the outer 3/4 of your eye, you can do that. Really go with what your vibe is. It's really a great way to make like a big statement without a lot of makeup, and it's very quick. So to finish this look, I'm going to softly define the lips with beige lip pencil, and then my newest obsession, which is the crushed oil infused gloss. This is In the Buff. These are a few of my favorite looks for when you wear glasses. Just remember that glasses are an accessory, they're not an obstacle. So have fun.